Zion, hi. Sian, Xavier, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Fist bump, bro.
You're right, we don't sleep much. Away we go.
Yeah. We're gonna find some. Yes, yes. Oh. Oh,
We have a lot of fun activities and games for the kids. We should light the tree. There are lights.
linya deh. Yeah. Yeah.
Salayutan ng salayutan. Right here at the camera. Xavier. Nakita mo sila sa
We have gingerbread, we have shortbread. Which one would you like?
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
Thank you. Here.
Have fun.
This is yours.
One more. Here's Zion.
What you do? Do it.
Yeah.
Daddy. What?
Xavier. Say hi. Ah, good job. What are you doing? What are you doing? Zion.
I started away. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
I started.
Xavier, what's that?
Voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around Christmas tree, have a happy holiday.
Oops. Careful. Drink this? Okay, that's for daddy. Okay. Go with him. Yeah. Yeah. We're going home. Yeah. We're going home.
I don't need to put on my seatbelt.
We're going home.
I don't need to put on
Thank you.
my seatbelt.
Mom, to you.
I don't need to